So hey guys, I'm excited about this one right here. This one's going to be for the Pilot. These are the running boards from Autosaver 88. These things look awesome, guys. They look like OEM. Let me go ahead and open them up and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, as you can see, you get full instructions here. These are really easy to put on too, so don't be intimidated by this. You get nice instructions. They fit the 2016 to 2019 Honda Pilot. It also fit the 2020 and 21 Pilot, same exact ones. All the brackets you need here, basically you just put 3 brackets on the body of the car and then the running board attaches to the bracket. So it's really basic. It's everything uses the factory holes. So you just screw right in the factory holes. There's no drilling. You just need a ratchet and a screwdriver. That's all you need. Really excited about this, guys. Check these out. Really nice. I like the design here. The thick black plastic like the OEM one has. Nice beveled edge. Has some aluminum here. And it has this nice weather strip here, which is nice. I'll show you what that does too. It goes up in between the door and it'll help keep sound down when it rains and stuff. Won't let stuff spray through too. So it's a really nice clean design. And if you guys want to take advantage of this, there's a promo code right now. I'll put in the description. You get 10% off the already low price too. So definitely check it out, guys. Here's a box of brackets you get. Now there's 3 different ones. There's a certain bracket for the rear, the middle, and the front. So I'll explain later how to tell them apart. It has a little diagram even too on this paper. So just make sure, and you'll know because it only bolts up one way too, but there's 3 different ones. And you just get 2 sets of those too. So like I said, look at that. Very detailed instructions. Makes it easy if you guys have never done this before. Okay? So basically all you're doing, you see this is the union you're going to have here. You're going to have a bolt with a lock nut on it, and then a lock washer, and then the regular flat washer. That's what you're going to do for the whole entire putting the bracket onto the body of the car. So you can go ahead and make yourself 6 of those for this one side. So it's pretty basic. You're just doing the step over and over and over again. So just follow the basic instructions, guys. Like I said, it's not really that hard. That's what you want though. That's what gets bolted in. Let me show you. Okay, you see these brackets? They all correspond to a certain side. So one's for the middle, one's for the front, one's for the back. Okay? So look at the instructions on this one. Okay, this one here, see it has that step down. That one goes on the rear. So what I did here, there's just holes. You'll see the holes already drilled. You just have to screw them in. So I'm not tightening anything down right now. I'm just putting the brackets on, okay? So this is the center one. There's a hole there and a hole here. So it has that little angle. So the bracket's going to have that angle on it, okay? Let me show you. And if you look at the picture, center bracket, match the number to it, and it'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's that one. See how it has that angle? That's going to correspond to the angle under the car. Okay, so here I went ahead and installed it. And like I said, once you know where these go, it's easy. The second side's really easy. So it has the angle there. Same thing. You just put the 2 washers and bolt it down. Now, again, I'm finger tightening all these until I get it all where I want, okay? So you're just going to have these pegs sticking out. See, they're really loose here. I just got them set in there. Okay? And then once you get everything level, you put the board on and you kind of see where it's going to sit, and then you cinch it all down. That way the gaps will be even. Okay? So I'll go ahead and throw that front bracket on. With the only one that's left is this one. And that one goes to the front. You see here, I did it again. This is the front part. Just hand tighten. Nothing crazy here. Okay? So that's basically what you're going to have right there. Those 3 brackets sticking out front of the car. That's what you want. And that's going to give you that edge to sit the board on. Okay? Now the board on the back of it has these screws, and they go into a little piece of metal. So you're going to unscrew that and then line the metal through the hole and then go from the bottom to attach the screw back into it. Okay? It explains that on here, but I'll show you. And same thing here. I'm just going to snug them up until I get everything lined up. And then you'll get your gaps better too. Okay, so here I set the board on there. See here, I just set the board on there right now. Took all the screws out. Okay, so you have those. Now there's going to be 2 per bracket that you have to install from the bottom. They just screw in there. You just have to line them up with those little pieces of metal. Let me see if I can show you here. Okay, see right there? Those slide. So I line those 2 up there. Now you just slide these with your finger over the next bracket, and then they'll catch. You start threading them in, and they'll catch there. And then you're going to tighten them up. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's a really easy design too. And you see this weather stripping here? You have to open the doors and it goes in between. Okay, you won't be able to tuck it like that because the door is shut. It has its own weather stripping. But you just got to open the door and tuck that weather strip inside. Okay? So you see what I did there? And I got all these lined up. And that's basically the look it's going to have right there. Looks really clean. I like it. And they don't really stick out either. So the wind noise will be minimal too. More of an OEM design, which I like. And you see here, you open the door, this weather strip, and as you push this back, I'm going to butt this up all the way to the car. You push them back because those holes are oblong, and then you're going to cinch it down. Then everything will be nice and tight. You won't see that gap. It'll just cover it up like that. Okay? That's basically all you do, guys. And then once you push that all the way back and it's centered, then just go ahead and tighten everything down. Really nice though. The weather strip will make it nice as you're driving. It'll help it keep it quieter too, because I've had tubes before and they're loud. These are really nice. I mean, look at the design. Nothing that really screams out at you, but they're very functional and they're very sturdy. Okay, so see this one here? That one's all cinched up. I went ahead and tightened them all. Looks really good. So here, guys, this one now, did them all. It took me probably about, I would say, 45 minutes to do them all once you have the tools. They're all done. I've jumped up and down on them. They're really snug. I like that. Look at the design, how it just sucks right in there. It's even with that rear tire, which I like. Just has an OEM look. Like I said, I would highly recommend buying these. The Honda ones, I think, are $500. These right now are $119. And with the code active right now, you get 10% off that price. So you can get these things for about $100, guys, for a nice set of running boards for your Pilot. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I like them. Here, I'll jump up and down on it. This thing is solid. Really nice. If you have little ones, it'll definitely help them get in the car. And this weather stripping, it's a nice touch. So definitely check that description. Click that link, guys, and save yourself some money. And they're very functional on top of that. Okay? If you have any questions, if you get these and need some help, reach out to me. I'll get back to you, help you any way I can. Like I said, it's really easy with a couple tools. Anybody can do it. Okay, guys? So definitely check out Autosaver 88 on Amazon and pick yourself up a set of these nice running boards. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. I love your guys' feedback. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys on the next video. I appreciate it, everybody.